Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Sammy, and welcome to Sammy's World. I woke up just now, to be honest. It's going to be noon soon, but the rain has stopped like completely, and everything is kind of clear, very refreshing, chilling, and soothing to the eye, like the clouds and everything. Let me show you guys. Oh god, the view is sick, and as you can see, I live in the middle of jungle. You can say that I live in the jungle, close to Mother Nature, in the village of Sitong. So guys, I'm still in my house, but I had to take lunch, and the background is breathtaking. Oh my god, this is nice. So today we are going up to see the same view, a different view from a higher elevation. And this is my dog. His name is Maxwell, but he call him Max. Max. Let's go. So a little walk for him, and then I'll be on my way. And this is my house. I'm sure you can hear the sound of the river or a creek that's near my house. As I told you earlier, I live in the middle of a jungle, pretty off-grid, and Max is being pretty off-grid from the highway, halfway to our destination. But it has started raining, and we are on the highest elevation point of our village, and from here there is another village called Kuilakodam starting right here. Enjoy the view, guys. I don't know if I can make it up to the top. It's still raining. So guys, after 10 minutes of ride, I've reached this village. It's called Pokoritar. It's my birthplace and has a very beautiful sceneries to offer. And if you have already visited, then you know, and if you don't, you'll see now. One of my favorite places actually, through which in a clear day you see the plains and the hills, just the formation. The plains are Mahananda, Siliguri and all. It's all over the place in the background. The hills are all small hamlets, and this is Pukoritar. It's already started raining, guys. Shit, what a bum, man. And I don't have a mount, and I couldn't show you the proper way out. Let's see what can I come up with in this video. So basically this video is a short kind of intro. I'll be showing more of these places in detail. Actually, there are so many things that I want to show you guys, like really. I think I'm stuck here for the rest of the evening. Also, I will be posting some pictures, some videos, shorts in my Instagram. The link will be down in the description and somewhere here. Not the best day to shoot your first YouTube video, but what can I do? It's Mother Nature cleaning herself. I'm very much pumped and excited about this channel. I have started this channel with the vision that it will grow to some meaningful channel, you know, with some message, the struggles and everything, you know, just life and all. It's amazing, guys. These birds are amazing, guys. Whoa. So there is one hidden village. I can spot it from here. I don't know exactly its name, but it seems kind of cool. And one right here, and furthermore there, everywhere, you know, where my eyes can see. And I know the camera is not doing justice to the picture, but what can I do? And cultivation is, I think it's for radish. We mainly cultivate radish in here. These are some cabbages and so guys, this is my aunt's house. There's two, that one too, and everyone in this village is related with me, all of my family in some way or the other. So yeah, this is my birthplace, and we are going further up. And the blue one that you're seeing is our church. My dad runs the church. And there is a park, lots of frogs and salamanders, like the little ones, reside there, endangered species and all, you know. This is a forest area, so we have to preserve nature, right? And I'll take you there in a minute, but first let's go explore our village. This is Pukuritar, by the way. It's my birthplace, and I thought it would be nice to show you, you know, where I come from for this introductory video. Hey, see you guys. So guys, finally the rain has stopped, and I am here exploring a property that belongs to my aunt. So it basically belongs to me. Check it out, guys. So these are lands which is still to be plowed, and will be ready by this month for the cultivation of radish. I mean, it's one of my favorite places. Lots of memories, you know, since childhood, and I have spent some important amount of time at this place, and yeah, we get some sick views from there. So let's see if we can get some. Okay, I like this kind of places, you know, with no people around, just me and the camera and you guys watching. So I'm that kind of person, you know. It's peaceful, fresh air, fresh breeze, greenery, and a healthy atmosphere. That's all I want to say. And I wanted to show you some sick views right here, but there's wild plants have grown so tall it's blocking everything. So I don't know if I can make you see, but I'll try, yo. And I'm not showing very much of myself because I'm not well dressed, because I don't know, for some reason I wanted to get dressed but it started raining, and it would have spoiled everything. And also you have to be very careful of the leeches, man. They are a pain in the ass. Okay, I found something, guys. From here we can see the plains of Siliguri and all the ones that I showed earlier. Let me switch to another camera. So guys, as you can see the plains, I don't know, this like in this camera the focus is quite not good, I'm sorry guys, but I'll try my best. But this right here is the one and only airport, that is Bagdogra. So you can, people from there, if you are watching, I can see you. And the plains are just amazing, man, just to look at, you know. Just wanna makes me go right there. So you get the idea, right? And guys, I can hear the train sound further in the distance, and it vanished. Whoa. Whoa guys. So these are the city areas, guys. I don't know if it's Siliguri or I don't know. I have no freaking idea, man. But this is awesome. I wish I could just zoom in furthermore, but I don't have the right lens because I can't afford it, literally. Hopefully in the future I'll be able to do it. But then guys, the view is just amazing, amazing, amazing. So guys, these are the forest areas with the pines. It goes on and on till it reaches the cities, man. It's quite amazing, but the wildlife diversity is also very nice in here. We get visitors from right there. Wild animals. They are pretty dangerous actually. Some have been encountered, some have been attacked, and right now I think they're off. So we are okay. So guys, we are off from this place, and I have just remembered one nice location. Let's see if it's nice enough. You guys will be the judge, right? So basically we cultivate here, also down in my house too. So you know, here and there. And I haven't taken any cinematic shots for today's video. I just want to keep it simple and real, you know. But in the coming videos, yeah, I'll do that. So I'll see you guys. The view is sick from here too, guys, with the Tibetan flags. Just so nice. Okay, this is also my brother's house. It seems nobody's home, so we are going straight down to the lake. So guys, finally at the lake, and this right here is a life cycle of salamander that we find here. Take a screenshot, take some knowledge, guys. And here's the lake. This fella right here scared the shit out of me, you know. Lots of frogs, that's all I can see, guys. And where there are frogs, there will be its predator, snakes. And I can see a salamander. Oh my god. I don't know, let me switch to another camera and I'll show you guys. Shit. But this is awesome. Alive! Oh my god, it's alive! And it's swimming. So guys, this is the endangered species salamander. I believe it's the smallest one. that we find in our hills and in our village. What a beauty, man. And don't you dare to catch it, because its tails are sharp as a knife, you know. It might cut your hand. But at least I can show you guys this fella right here. So I hope you enjoyed the video. There's one last location, and we'll be on our way. That it is two. Okay, this one is faster. Shit. So guys, we're off from this Salamando Park here. I hope you guys enjoy, and comment down below if you like it. That would mean a world to me. So this is Pokorita Salamando Park Herbal Garden. Although the herbal garden seems a bit occupied, I don't see any herbs, man. No drone zone, guys. Don't ever think of flying a drone in this area, because it's a military area. Guys, finally at the last location for today with another camera, so you can see the villages and all, man. Check it out, guys. Seriously, what a beautiful day it is to end the video. And I think I'll end the video here. I hope you enjoyed our place, my place, and if you want to visit, then you're always welcome. And do like, share and subscribe. This is my first YouTube video, and of course I'll do more in the future. The hills that you've seen, I'll try to explore everything I can and show it to you guys. Thank you for watching. I love you guys. See ya. You can see all the greenery, the wildlife diversity, plants diversity, and some accommodations, man. And I'm above clouds. This is so amazing, guys. And you can see some hills. I believe this one, the highest one, is Sondakpu, the highest elevation point of West Bengal, I believe. And here are some more of Sitong and you know, villages. And this cloud right here is emerging right up, you know. So right now we are above the clouds. So guys, this is the other side, and next time I'll take you guys at the top here or near somewhere. So stay tight for the next vlog. Love you guys. Take care. Bye. This is English ma थाहा भएन हो. This is जसले भन्छ निङ्रो हन्टिङ, गाइस, निङ्रो हन्टिङ. यहाँ चाहिँ के खोजे
साथी भाइ निङ्रो टिपेको हालिदिन्छु.
हालिदिन्छु. सबको हाल्छु.